Okay. Okay, children, do you know this? Which period is this? Science period. Yes. Okay, children. Before starting, let me tell you. Everybody can listen to me. You hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. Then sit properly. First of all, sit properly, all of you. Properly. Yes. Okay. Yes. Do you remember what we did last week?
Yes.
Parts of a plant. And in that we did what? Yes, Daksh. Yes. What we did? Leaf. Yes. Okay. Now listen to me. I am going to have you understood? You have to show me this thumbs up. You okay? So whenever I will ask you if you understood, you have to show me thumbs up. Right? Okay? So good. Very good. Okay. Okay, can you see this? What is this in my hand?
Flower.
It's a plant. Okay? Right. Yes. What is the most colorful plant here? Most colorful? What is the most colorful plant here? Yes, children. What is the most colorful part here? What is this? It's a flower. Good. See, I'm showing you these different types of flowers. Children, you see these? Children, now listen to me clearly. I am going to mute you all. Okay, children? Okay? Yes? Okay. Show me thumbs up, everyone. Very good. Okay. Now listen to me. See, this is flower. Most colorful part of the plant. Got it? And where it grows on the stem. Where it grows on the stem. Okay, you know, this is the most attractive part of the plant. And you know, it attracts so many insects, butterflies, and other birds also. But what is the function of this? It forms seed inside it. Okay, now children, before telling you more about it, I'm going to share a screen with you. Okay, so listen to me clearly. Okay, now a screen will come. Just say this. Yes. See, children, can you see the screen? I have shared screen with you. Yes. Can you see this? Show me thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Okay, now see children, what is the most attractive thing you are seeing on this screen? Flower. Okay, flower grows on stems. You know, some flowers, they change into fruits also. Okay, so when the flowers, they change into fruits, these kind of fruits, what is in my hand? What? This is an apple. Okay, fine. This is an apple. Flower changes into fruit. And you know, most flowers like this, like this, like this, all these plants, flowers, they change into fruits. See this fruit, what this fruit? Look here, this is another fruit. Yes, yes. And this is another fruit. Yes. Can you see this? Yes. And see, this is another fruit. What? This one. Okay. Right. And all these fruits, next slide. All these fruits, they have seeds inside them. Should I show you? Right? I show you. See, if we cut this fruit, you can see this. It has seeds inside it. See, look here. Seeds are there. Okay. So, it has seeds. You can see. And, you know, this another one. You can see what? This is mango. Okay. And there is a seed inside it. One seed. Only one seed inside the mango. Okay. And in apple, you see the seeds are here. Okay. I show you the third one. And that is, what is this? Plum. It is a plum. Here is also a seed. Clear? Understood? Understood? Okay. Now, these two fruits, they have only one seed inside them. They have only one seed. Okay? Yes? Okay. But if we see this fruit, what is this? Muskmelon. You eat every day? Yes. Just, yes. Do you eat this? It has so many seeds inside it. So many seeds. So many seeds. You can see? Can you see these? Yes. So it has so many seeds inside it. Okay. But if you see a mango, it has only one seed inside it. Okay. Understood? Got it? Yes. Now, I want to show you one more thing. What is in my hand? What is this? It is lemon. Okay. It has also, see, it is a complete lemon. It is a complete lemon. If I show you this way, I have cut it into two pieces and each piece has so many seeds inside it. Clear? Understood? Yes? Okay, if you have understood, show me thumbs up. All of you. Yes? So you observed these seeds? Okay. Now do you understood what are seeds? These are present inside the fruits. Okay. Now there are so many fruits which have only one seed. There are so many fruits which have so many seeds in them. Clear? Okay. Now do you know, can you eat these seeds? Yes or no? Can you eat? No, you cannot eat. You cannot eat. Okay. Yes. So now you understood. Okay. I repeat once more. See, this, you know, we started with the most colorful part of the plant, which is a flower. Okay. And flower has two important functions. What is that? It forms seeds inside them, and sometimes few flowers, they change into fruits. Okay. So I have shown you these fruits. Few fruits, they have only one seed, like a mango. Okay. And few seeds, they have few fruits, they have so many seeds. They have like this apple, and this lemon, and this muskmelon. Okay, children? Understood? Okay. Now, some seeds we can eat, but there are so many seeds which we cannot eat. Okay. See, do you eat the seeds of lemon? You eat the seeds of lemon? No, you can't eat these seeds. Fine, but there are some seeds we can eat. Now, I show you these seeds. See, children, I show you in my, what I'm going to show you is, this is rice. You eat rice every day? Yes. So these are also seeds. These seeds we can eat. Okay. What is another one? I show you. Can you see these seeds in my hand? I show you. Just see, beta. Just see. Can you see these seeds? Yes. These are beans. Okay. And the third one is, these are, you know, what are these? What are these? These are again seeds. Black grams. Black grams. I show you like this. Can you see now? Can you see now? Yes. Yes, it is clear now. These are black grams. These seeds we can eat, and these are called edible seeds. The seeds which we cannot eat, they are called inedible seeds. Okay. And why these seeds are there? You know, these seeds form new plants. Now I'm going to share one more screen with you. Just see that. Now a screen will come, and please just see that carefully. Next. Okay, children, now there are so many pictures here. Can you see? This is watermelon. This is mango. This is papaya. You know, these seeds here in watermelon, there are so many seeds. And in mango, there is only one seed. In papaya, there are so many seeds. Okay, but all these seeds are not fit for eating. They are called inedible seeds. But there are certain seeds which we can eat. I have shown you all those. Clear? Now, what is the function of these seeds? We see the next slide for this. Can you see this? Can you see the screen? Yes. See, children, when we sow one seed into the soil, how it starts growing. How it starts growing. Initially, a small plant comes, and then the next it starts growing, and then, you know, next it starts forming a tiny plant, and finally a plant like this forms. This process is called seed germination. Clear, children? What you call this? Seed germination. I just do one, I just underline this word with you, and please see this. See which word I am underlining. See this word, this word. This is seed germination. So seed, when the seed germinates, when the seed is sown into the soil, it starts forming a small, the bigger, and the bigger, and then finally a plant is formed like this. Like this. Clear, bache? All of you? Is it clear to you? Okay, I'm going to unmute you all now. Please, if you want to ask me anything, you can raise your hand like this. Clear? Okay? Okay, fine. Yes. Yes, children. Children, are you understanding? You understood what I have told you? Yes? Yes? Show me your thumbs up if you have understood everything clearly. Okay. Now I asked one question from all of you. Okay, first of all, I asked, yes, Daksh, are you listening to me? Are you hearing? What is the most colorful part of the plant, beta? What is the most colorful part? Flower. It's flower. Okay. And flower forms what? Yes, Nimrat, are you hearing me?
Yes,
Forms fruit. Okay, wonderful. Yes, Samreen. Fruit has what inside it? What it has inside it? Samreen. Seeds. Yes, seeds like this. As you have seen, it has seeds.
inside it.
Yes, these are called inedible seeds. Good. Okay, this seed is edible. Mango. Seed is edible. Seed is not edible.
Inedible.
And these seeds are edible. These seeds are edible. Yes. Okay. Okay. Everybody understood what I have taught you today?
Yes.
When you sow one seed into the soil, what it forms? What it forms?
The bigger
Children, when you sow a seed into the soil, what it forms? Samreen?
a big tree.
Yes, a plant. Yes. Okay, children, a plant like this on which green comes. Yeah. Now I am going to share a worksheet with you, which you have to do today. Clear? Okay. Clear, children? Yes. Now a worksheet will come on your screen. Kindly see that also. Okay. Yes. Now a worksheet will come and then you have to see this. Yes, can you see this worksheet? Is it visible to you, Bache?
No.
Now is it visible? Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
To you?
Mango.
Yes, children? Okay. See in this worksheet, beta, you can see this. You know, in first sentence in the fill-ups, I have written germination is the process in which, you know what is germination? I have told you. You understood what is germination? When a seed is sown into the soil, it forms a new plant. Okay, so it means new plant is formed from a seed. Got it? Okay. And the second one is dash is the part of the plant that contains seeds. Yes. Children, stop writing on the screen, children. On. Right. No.
Somebody is right.
Only listen. Don't write anything. Okay, beta?
मैं तो राइट नहीं कर रहा.
No, no. All of. Okay. See in the second, which part of the plant? Yes. Which part of the plant contains seeds? Yes. Which part of the plant contains seeds?
Fruit.
Fruit. Very good. Wonderful. And today we have done, there are so many fruits which have only one seed. There are so many fruits which have so many seeds. Clear? And few seeds are edible and few seeds are not edible. Okay? And what is the, use of these seeds? We can grow new plants from them. Okay? Fine? Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you show me your thumbs up, all of you. Please, if you have understood everything, show me thumbs up. Okay, children, after this class, I will share this worksheet with you and that you have to do where you have done last time. Okay, children? And that you will send me today in the evening. Clear? Okay? Then, you enjoyed today's class?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So, you have learned so many things about flower, about fruits, and about germination. Clear? Understood? Okay, it's the time to say goodbye. Okay, I will send you, beta, one PPT and one worksheet and the book pages. Please read those also. Okay, children? Okay, and watch wonderful videos on your YouTube also. Clear? Will you? Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.